Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting opportunity for all the BTech students out there looking to kickstart their careers in technology. We're diving into the IBM Software Engineer Internship for 2024, offering a competitive stipend of up to 4 lakhs. Let's get started. IBM, the International Business Machines Corporation, is the largest computer maker in the world, fondly known as Big Blue. Founded by Thomas Watson Sr., IBM has been a leader in IT, shaping the tech landscape for decades. As a software engineer intern at IBM, you'll be part of the Systems Development Lab, working on the latest technologies in operating systems, firmware, system software, storage software, and cloud software. You'll collaborate with development and product management teams and engage with end users globally. In this role, you'll analyze product requirements, design and implement solutions, and test them throughout the product development lifecycle. You'll also get hands-on experience with validation and support of IBM systems products. The best part? You'll be valued for your contributions and have broader opportunities to grow in a vibrant, culturally driven, and technically accomplished team. To be eligible for this amazing opportunity, you need to have expertise in Java, Python, Golang, C++, and scripting languages, good knowledge of software development lifecycle, SDLC and testing, exposure to AI, React.js, and AngularJS, familiarity with cloud infrastructure for product development, basic Linux commands and storage concepts knowledge, experience with version control systems like Git, strong communication, analytical, interpersonal, and problem-solving skills. You'll also get to work with the latest server memory technology, including DDR4 and DDR5 DRAM, MRAM, SSD flash, and storage class memory. By the end of the internship, you'll have a solid understanding of server memory architecture and validation techniques. So if you're pursuing or have completed a bachelor's degree in engineering, particularly in fields like computer science or IT, and meet the technical and soft skill requirements, this internship is perfect for you. The internship will be based in Bengaluru and Pune, offering a competitive stipend of up to 4 lakhs. Interested? Don't miss out. Apply now through the link in the description below. This is your chance to gain practical experience and work on significant projects within IBM. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting updates on tech internships and job opportunities. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.